Hello, 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 hello. Um, it's Kim. Um, Came on here today to show you how to do the keychains. I did do one yesterday. I think it was the Betty Boop one, and another one I did. And today I'm just going to do this one today, just to show you how you do them. And then it's the same way to do the Betty Boop one. And the other one is a little bit different because the other one is a print and cut. They're all print and cuts, but some of these are like, I think they call them stickers. And so some of them are stickers. They're not SVGs. They're like what you would call PNGs. Okay, so here's the image right here. And what we want to do is size her. So I'm keeping her at the size of about 347 wide and 331 long. But that's the size that I'm using for the keychain, okay? And that's wide, 331. Now I'm going to make her bigger so we can look at her in a bigger light here. Now what we need to do now is to make a circle for the keychain hole. So we're going to go over to shapes, select a circle. I know I need a better shape, y'all. I'm getting there, no worries. And duplicate it. Go back over to the circle and bring your circle in and try to fit it like right in the middle of the circle. Then we're going to select the whole circle. Select the whole circle. Not her, Kim. Move her out the way. Select the whole circle. And then go down in the bottom of your Cricut, because this is a Cricut, and slice it. As you can see, the hole is right there now. So now we're just going to move this out the way twice. Move it and move it. And there's the hole for the keychain. And we're going to take the keychain and make it black. I don't know why this thing is so dull. Should have used my other. So we're going to use the keychain and make it black. Then go back down here and get her. And take the keychain and put it right there. And of course we're going to make it smaller so we can fit it. Make sure it's nicely snugged on her hair. A little bit smaller there. And that's about it. Okay. Uh-oh. Why you do that? Okay. Go back over here again. Now, when you get this all together, like this, then you want to go back down to the bottom of the screen, down in the corner, and, no, I'm sorry, you want to select it for, oh, here we go again, Kim, messing up. Okay. Let me get this one more time. Okay. Select her. And then we're going to flatten it. Just like everybody else do when they do theirs. So now she's together and that keychain won't move when you move her. Okay? Okay, so then you can put her back down the size. Around, like I said, 344 and 331 on the sides. And I've already made it, so it's already waiting for me. So then what you want to do is, you have that one, is duplicate her about 6 times. I'm going to duplicate this about 6 times. duplicate it again. So we duplicate her 6 times, and then this is the result of the 6 times after you duplicate her, okay? After that, it's time to make it. So hit that button to make it. And you're going to have 3 sheets. 1, 2, 3. And at this time, you're going to press continue down here in the bottom. Select your printer. And my printer is HP printer. It's not my Epson printer. You know you can't print on those anymore. And you're going to make that 3 times. And you'll have 3 sheets and 6 girls. So print that. And then after you print that, like I said, mine is already done, so I don't have to do it anymore. After you do that, because this takes a while to do. After you finish doing that, you'll continue to make your center to the printer. Let me see. See if I can show you this other part, because then I want to cut her. Oh, it's telling me no device found because my device is not on. Okay, so after you print her, you're going to have those 3 sheets. And then your system, your maker is going to say, what do you want to do? It's going to ask you to cut her. So then after you do that, you're going to go over here and select your paper. And this is hard cardstock. So I would select cardstock for intricate cuts. And take those 3 sheets that the printer is going to print out. Take those 3 sheets and put them in your Cricut. Not all at the same time. Of course, you got to put them on a mat. Tape them to the mat, or, put them on the mat. And then let your Cricut cut each sheet. And you'll have 6 copies. Let me see. 6 little copies after your Cricut cuts it. Okay? It's going to look something like this. I don't know why this thing is so dark. When you finish cutting it, it's going to look like that, because I messed this one up. It wouldn't come out right. So I had to do it again. So that's how it's going to look when you cut it. And that's it. So we're all done with this part, and I'll see you on the second video.